As we all know, Seedance 2 is completely insane, and you can easily create Hollywood-level cinematic scenes with it. And today, I'm going to show you some of the best new insane fight scenes and other things that people have been able to create using Seedance 2. We are also going to talk about the upcoming release of the Google Nano Banana 2 AI image model, which is also insane. Now, let me just show you some of the new AI films that people have been able to create using Seedance 2. First of all, I want to show you this Matrix-style sci-fi scene created using Seedance 2. It just takes 2 minutes. I'm just going to play the video for you now.
Not over yet, Mr. Anderson.
As you can see, this fight scene was completely insane. The hand movements of the characters were very natural. This is a realistic fighting scene, and if you look closely, you will see a bit of distortion in the hands of the characters when they are fighting, but otherwise, there is no distortion anywhere else in this video. The cinematic action shots here are also very nice. As you can see, the camera cuts are also very good. Seedance 2 really knows when to put these camera cuts to make it very cinematic. The ending of the fight was also really nice. Now, here is another insane fight scene created using Seedance 2. The main reason I am showing you this fight scene is that it is in a quite unique style. It features massive giant mecha robots fighting. This is a new type of fighting scene and style, and it has a wide use case, as these instances make for pretty epic VFX scenes. I'm just going to play the video so you can see it. As you can see, this fight scene was also very good. The main thing that I liked about it was the transformation sequences of the robot. The person goes inside the machine, and the machine transforms into a giant humanoid robot, and then into a fighter jet. These transformations are very nice, and you will see almost no distortions in these specific types of transformation shots. The most interesting thing here is that I think China is actively trying to improve Seedance 2. Even the transformation scenes made by Seedance 2 just 2 or 3 days ago were much worse than anything like this. Now, here is another really cool, realistic live-action fight scene of the Jujutsu Kaisen anime that someone was able to make using Seedance 2. This thing looks very good. I would actually pay money to watch this type of thing. I think you can also create these types of videos really easily once you get your hands on Seedance 2. Creating these types of videos really does not take much effort because of a feature in Seedance 2 called video to video. If you upload a video of a scene, you can transform that scene into any other art style using Seedance 2. You can go from anime to realistic, from realistic to anime, or to 3D, any style that you want. I have discussed this ability of Seedance 2 previously on the channel, but if you did not know, you can do something like this with Seedance 2 really easily. You also get professional results. This is not just a stupid thing that people do for fun. It is actually professional studio quality. Here is a similar example of a live-action scene made from anime. This is the Madara fight scene from the popular anime Naruto, made in a realistic art style. I'm just going to play the video so you can see it.
手で止める。
As you can see, this video was also very good. There are a lot of use cases, and people are getting better and better at using Seedance 2 to make these really cool fight scenes. Now, it is not like you always have to make professional movies and fight scenes using Seedance 2. You can also use it for fun. Take this example. This is basically a VFX of a giant cat destroying some battleships. Even though it does not have a story and is not that realistic, it is still really fun to watch. I can guarantee you that these types of videos are going to go pretty viral on social media as they have a shock effect, and the animation is very cool here. Another thing I wanted to tell you is that people are really easily able to create comedy fights. Here is an example of that, and this specific video went pretty viral on Twitter. I'm just going to play the video so you can watch it.
You need to control yourself.
As you can see, that video was pretty funny. This short AI film was also very cool, and I actually enjoyed watching it. Another really cool thing you can do with Seedance 2 is create these insane gamified fight scenes between two characters. Here's an example of that. In this example, it is specifically Albert Einstein versus a character named God. These are really good fight scenes, and you can make them between anyone. Here's another example of Newton versus Stephen Hawking. You can make these types of videos about anyone, and they are going to be pretty insane to look at. I very much enjoyed watching these types of videos as they are highly entertaining. Now let's talk about the upcoming image model from Google, which is Nano Banana 2. Here is an image that an AI insider was able to generate using Nano Banana 2. You should take these types of rumors with a grain of salt, but I think this is pretty true. These images could have been generated with Nano Banana 2. As you can see, the image looks pretty good. The reflection of the text is also a pretty good image generation. Here are some other examples of image generations that people are saying were created using the upcoming Nano Banana 2 model, which has the official name of Gemini 3.1 Flash Image Preview. Here is the first example. This is just a picture of an old woman, but her facial details are pretty realistic. If you did not tell me that this was an AI-generated image, I would have assumed it was taken by a really powerful HD camera. Here is an image of a chess piece filled with a blue liquid that is reflecting light. This is pretty cool. The refraction and the reflection of the light on the table are pretty realistic. This looks like a very high-quality shot. And here is another image of an infographic of a tree. Nano Banana 2 was able to make this infographic really well. Every text here is correct, and it looks like a pretty good infographic. Now, here is an example of a duck riding a bicycle that was also supposedly made with Nano Banana 2. As you can see, this image looks pretty cool, and I think this model is going to be a huge improvement over the Nano Banana Pro AI model. We will see how good Google's upcoming Nano Banana 2 image model really is when I actually get to try it with my own hands, but otherwise, I think this is also going to be a great release. That was it for the video, and please do not forget to like and subscribe.